Alright, we're back. Hey guys, what's up? It's Kenzie and Kenzie. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here or if you're coming from Kenzie, subscribe. And if you guys are not already subscribed to Kenzie's channel, I don't know why I'm messing up saying your name, it's my name. I'll have it linked down below. We are going to be following Jeffree Star's makeup tutorial, specifically going to my ex's funeral, solely because the title is so funny. It's just like, that's the funniest title I've ever heard in my life. Not great at makeup at all. We are kind of halfway done right now. That was all on Kenzie's channel, so stop this video, will video first, and then will all make sense. Just like thinking about this, we're about to get like,
to do like the crazy eyebrows that Jeffree has, like the crazy like winged out eyeshadow. It's gonna be a good time.
It's gonna be, yeah. If you guys have any more video requests, go comment them on my latest Instagram, please, because I need them. But yeah, we're gonna get started. This is terrifying. Alright.
Let's go to our ex's funeral.
Let me know how parking is. So we have to do his eyebrow shape, which I can barely do my eyebrow shape. So
I don't know how. Okay, we're just gonna do a crazy arch.
I spent $8.75 on my latte this morning. So
wait, how? Did you ask?
I don't know. It literally just it rung up as $8.75, and at that point I was like, "There's no going back." Wait, let me see it.
My eyebrows are just too thick. Okay, I have one eyebrow arched. Ooh, that.
I just like genuinely don't know what to do. Like, did you just bring up?
I just brought up the arch.
Like I tried. Look at it. Look at it.
I can't see. We just gotta keep going. There's no turning back.
The worst part is that like this is genuinely us trying.
Yeah, it's not like we're trying to be bad. We're like we're trying to match it.
I'm so glad I didn't film my intro like this. You do mine. I'm afraid to look in the mirror.
Oh, aren't we all? I guess we got the arch going on. Okay. He looks so good. Okay. Yes. So we're gonna carve it out with Tarte Shape Tape, even though I already powdered my eyes, but whatever.
We have to do the dramatic poses.
Oh yeah, the intro, like the zoom with the EDM.
Seeing how difficult this was, and we couldn't even do it.
We couldn't even do the eyebrows, like let alone the eyes.
No, but imagine drag queens, like when they do the crazy, they have a whole new level of respect. Yeah. Like I don't know how they do that, but it's really impressive. All right, you ready?
Nope. Not at all. Okay, they just carved theirs. Or his.
Make sure that we have EDM music for these videos. Note to self.
This was so fun.
His hair back then.
That's white.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Alright.
Alright,
I think she said the charm color. Oh, charm.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I love the edits when he does the star on his thing. That's so good.
I think that's like burnt orange.
Perfect! Okay, that's crease. I can do that, I think. I say that and it looks horrible.
and dragging it out.
Oh god. Oh
like
god.
That. Okay.
This is, I thought it, oh gosh, okay. I'm just making it really messy. It's almost like, I don't even want to admit to how bad I am at makeup, so I'm almost just like making it a little bit worse than I would make it if I tried. Just so I'm like, oh my gosh, I didn't mean to. But like, no, it's really bad.
That's what we're going with, smoked out orange.
Okay.
We're going in.
Oh god. Oh god.
Oh man.
God, oh man. I think maybe even like more of a purple-y. Oh. See, I already went wrong. I already accidentally did the middle.
It's okay. We can put another shade over it.
It'll be. It's not like it's gonna look good. Like, it's not like this is so pitiful. It's like you're doing. Wait, let me see yours. Yours looks much better than mine. Mine, like, it's just.
Mine's so patchy.
Oh, they're turning it into like a
wing.
Oh, and it goes. Oh.
Wow, they're moving quick.
This is the worst thing I've ever seen in my life.
Please don't follow this tutorial. Like, no, don't do that. Don't try this at home. It looks like a pink eye.
Oh yeah, yours looks much better than mine. Like, I don't even want you to look at mine.
Blending is key.
As if like anything could save this. Yeah. Oh yeah, guys, don't forget to blend.
You just have to blend.
Look at mine. I went really big.
I love the dragging out part of the eye. I'm just hoping that blending is making it at least a little bit better, because nothing else is gonna help.
I'm not even gonna, like, I'm beyond
that.
Yeah. I'm beyond that.
Just...
Oh, I didn't bring it all the way to the inner corner. Did you?
No.
Okay, we gotta fix that.
The crucial step.
That'll make it all look better.
Yeah, it's just like a darker color, I feel like. Oh shoot, he really brings that down. Oh my god, we have to bring it down more. we're going full ham on this.
I'm just like waiting for yours to end up looking like mine. Like I really need you to get to there. I look like a raccoon.
Seriously. It really brings out your green eyes though.
Wow, I'm like putting my hair down so no one can see my.
Now that it's like we got punched in the face, let's keep going.
Cocoa.
Coconut. Thank you.
As soon as we said cocoa, he said coconut.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's like a highlighter shade. Wait, what? I can't even see.
I feel like this is one of those MAC products that me and you have been using for so long. Never leaving our kit.
I feel like,
I have no idea what that was. She's doing it with her finger though.
should we use like,
Look, this one. Or like, I think this one below and then.
you're right. Okay, slow down, Jeffree.
Jeffree, please don't ever watch
Jeffree.
this. I think that we're all talented in different areas and this just isn't my thing.
We're not beauty gurus, for sure.
No. I got really crazy. Like I really just went all out.
You got, oh my god.
Okay, Jeffree, I'm gonna trust you.
Even if you don't, you want something that's super wearable, you can just wear
It's super wearable.
Wearable. Okay, my butt is super wearable.
before I do my
Maybe if you're a Jeffree star and you know what you're doing.
Yeah. And you know how to make it look good.
Yeah.
Okay, what you doing next?
Okay, we don't have this. It's like a
What
yellow
is it?
eyeliner.
Yeah, we're skipping this step.
Not happening, sorry. That would be cool though. Oh, no.
Mascara.
I have that.
That's one thing we do have. Okay. I don't have lashes. Do you have lashes?
No.
Okay.
next, we're gonna do lashes.
Not happening. This is so rough.
I'm not even kidding you though. It's really bringing out our green eyes. Like, are you seeing it too or am I going crazy? It really
The
clouds
fact
our
that,
eyes though. Skip this whole...
Oh my god.
I'm like trying to make the lashes look good. So like...
Good coverage up the
Yeah.
rest. You can't see it.
I literally look like I got punched in the face.
Oh. I have that blush, but I don't know where it is.
Alright, blush. It's the only blush I
Alright,
have.
my favorite time of the day. Time of fucking highlight.
My favorite time of the day. I'm just gonna put on,
Okay.
this is not the same color, but like I'm just gonna do it.
Might as well.
If I would have actually tried, I feel like it would have looked, obviously it would have looked so much better, but like, I definitely could have done better than what I'm doing now. It's okay though.
These eyebrows literally ruined this whole look. And the fact that
everything else.
and the fact that I look like I got punched. It like matches our eyes. Kind
It
of.
matches our eyes.
We need to go ham on this too, because they do it crazy.
Wow. Just wow.
This is way more than I expected. This is worse than I expected it to be.
When can it be done?
Come on, Jeffree, finish this up.
Now we know one highlight is not enough, so Nicole's gonna go in with my Skin Frost shade in peach. One of my favorites.
Oh dear lord. As if one's not enough.
I feel like a disco ball.
I know, same. Okay. Come on, Jeffree, finish this up.
Yeah, please.
And put us out of our misery.
I'm begging you.
And he looks so good.
I have so much respect for him.
I know.
Got it.
Oh, we're not doing that.
I love highlight on the brown though.
Oh, wait.
Oh, if it's a problem. Wait, that doesn't happen here.
Alright, I guess we're gonna do this. Oh, yeah, that looks horrible. There's nothing else I can do. We're just, at this point,
That's not the worst thing.
yeah, like it can't get worse. We keep saying that, but then it does.
I'm just gonna use Celebrity Skin on the outside, and then I do it on the inside.
Nope, it's the same.
Last step is setting
Okay.
the
Oh, you have that. Okay.
That on the outside and that one on the inside.
Yeah, but how do we do that?
It'll take you a while.
Okay.
You can do it.
Oh yeah, this is definitely not the color that we were going for.
You know what, this whole look is not what we were going for, so.
Like, it's literally like couldn't be further from, oh, like a clown. This is so.
This is rough. This is the most glamorous part, everybody.
So glamorous.
Why does yours look like normal makeup?
Yours looks like substantially better than mine. Like, you could go out in public like that and I look like this.
Why? We're gonna lock it in.
I'm setting it because I'm gonna wear it all day.
I'm gonna wear it all day.
I want it to last all night, guys. Okay. Oh. Thank God this is gonna last now.
Yeah. That is gonna last all day long.
Oh.
This is my favorite all-nighter. Yes, Urban Decay All-Nighter is my go-to. So,
We literally had like 2 products out of this whole thing. Fake tape and all-nighter.
Yeah, he puts on so much spray. There is a substantial difference between his makeup look and my makeup look.
Oh my god, his looks amazing. His looks actually like he's
we had to wipe it
gonna
off.
Wow.
go to his ex's film. We look like
Yeah.
we got.
Oh,
I look like I got beat up in an alley.
We look like we should be the ones for the funeral.
Yeah.
Literally our funeral. Not going to my ex's. Our funeral. Our exes are coming to our funeral.
Yeah, literally. Should I send out invites? Like,
Hey, I'm having a funeral.
having a funeral. I want to see you stop by. Here's the address. Okay, well, that is it for this video. It went far worse than I even could have imagined.
But you know what? It was fun. It was.
Got a good
We made
laugh.
a mess.
Yeah, like you should see this
whole
area
setup.
right now. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe to Mackenzie. Subscribe here if you guys haven't already. Normally we're
pretty normally. Like, this is not how we look in real life.
Normally my videos I think add a little bit more to people's lives and maybe they don't. You know, maybe this is just a big wake up call. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe, like, comment down below. I feel like most of you guys would have this exact situation. So, love you guys so much and I'll see you soon. Bye.